Hello children, let us start 10th class statistics. Already I have completed a small introduction of statistics. From today I am going to start the portion that you have got in your 10th class. So before going to do that, let us have a small discussion about the proverb. Confidence brings you success. Success, if you want to get, you should have a lot of things means you should have you should be aware of a lot of things. If you are aware of those things, success in the sense, children, you wanted to do some work and that should be completed totally. That is what is success. That means you have done your work and that is to be accepted by the others. Then you will say that I have succeeded in doing this. How do you do that work? If you have, until and unless you have a correct idea about how it has to be done. So once if you have an idea, say some problem is given to you or something, some work you need to do. They have given it to you. Then immediately the moment you see that, you should get an idea. Yes, if I do like this, I will complete this work. If you are not getting that idea, means what, children? You are lacking behind about some loop that is there in that particular context. Then what happens? You cannot trust yourself that whether you can do it or not. There you lose your confidence. The moment if your confidence is lost, you are unable to complete it successfully because in your mind only that will be pinching. Okay, I can do this up to this. Afterwards, what I should do, I don't know. So what you don't know will be pinching you. That will not allow you to go ahead. So why you get this kind of things that I don't know this part? Say anybody has given you anything to you means then know that yes, you are supposed to do that. Any work is given to you, any answers that are there in your textbook, any problems that are there in your textbook are given according to your age group only. So you should have that correct IQ. You are not having that means you are lacking behind of that means it is just because of a single word that is called hesitation. You hesitate to ask your elders. You hesitate to ask your teachers about your doubts. Once when your doubts are not clarified, you will not get confidence, children. You will be bold enough. Your confidence will show in your boldness. You will be bold enough only when you are having that confidence in you. Yes, I can do. Let them give anything, I can do. See, if you prepare totally and go for the examination, you will be very cool in the examination hall. If you get the question paper, you start and you will write as it is, means whatever you need to write. You can do it. Why? Because you are having confidence that yes, I have prepared well, I have learnt everything. That you should have, children. A very, very, very sincere and hard work is needed for it. You are in 10th class. You have to go for examination. So please be careful, children. Never leave any doubt that has arisen in your mind. The doubt may be very small, or you may think that if I ask this doubt, my teachers will downgrade me. No, not that kind of thought you don't have. Actually, the teachers like those students who come to them and ask for any doubt. Children, I'll say a small thing, children. If you go to the shop and purchase a book, what you will do, you will open the pages and you will see whether printing is correct or not, and you will take. Whatever we are teaching, they also will go into your mind like the prints. Teacher cannot open your mind and see whether this print has done or not. So, teacher doesn't know whether you have understood or not. You have to go to the teacher. Ask the teacher, Madam or Miss, I have not understood this. Please explain me once again. Definitely, a teacher will definitely do it. And that explanation will be in so wide way. She will go down to your level and she teaches. Means she has understood that yes, this student has lacking behind about the previous knowledge. So the teacher will teach you that and teach you this, the next part. You will understand. If you go and if you leave your hesitation, go to your elders and clarify your doubts, children, you will get boldness, you will get confidence. And this confidence and boldness will definitely leads you to the success. Let us come back to the studies, children. Here we are going to do about mean of grouped data. I have explained you earlier about the introduction part, about what is raw data, what is grouped data, and in this grouped data, how to prepare a frequency distribution table, and what are lower limits, what are upper limits, what are lower boundaries, what are upper boundaries, what is class size, what is range. This all I have discussed. Now I am going to do about ungrouped data mean. Usually you have done in right from 7th or 6th class, we have got this word mean. Mean means what? Simple formula you have learned. Sum of numbers by number of numbers. This is what the formula you have learned in your previous class. Now we are going to learn about mean of ungrouped data by using a formula. First, I'll teach you the formula. So now let us see about the formula for mean of ungrouped data. What is the formula? The formula is xi mean is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi, where fi means frequency of the concerned class. Xi means mid value of the concerned class, and sigma fi is sum of frequencies. Write down this, children. This is the formula and expansion of the formula. Sometimes in the examination they are asking what does each letter indicate. So for every formula I am going to give the explanation for it. Here the word concern means that particular class. Okay, children, please write down that. Now in your textbook an example is given. I am going to talk about that example 1. Children, directly I am preparing the table. Textbook, you can see that in your textbook, that example 1, you have got xi values and you have got fi values. Xi values are taken as marks obtained and fi is number of students. So what are xi values that you have got? You have got 10, 20, 36, 40 and 50, 56, 60, 70, 72, 80, 88, 92, 95. So I'll write once again, children. This you may not see properly, so I need some space. So I'll do like this: xi here, fi here. 10, 20, 36, 40, 50, 56, 60, 70, 72, 80, 88, 92, 95. So here the frequencies are, I'll write little bit near, frequencies that are given: 1 here, 1 here, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. Now what you need to find out? You have to find out Fi and Xi. Multiply. 10 ones are 10. This is 20. This is 3 6 are 18. 3 3s are 9 1 10. 1 not 8. And the next one, 4 4s are 16. 160. Next 150. Next 6 2s are 12 and 112. 6 4s are 24. 240. 7 4s are 28. 280. This is 72. This is 80. And this is 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. 1 17. 176. And then 3 2s are 6. 3 9s are 27. Then 95. So children, when you are writing these values, be careful. Put them in the place values. In your textbook, they have not given like that. You observe that all units placed together, all tens placed together, all hundreds placed together, because you need to add them. While adding, you will be getting difficult if you write unevenly. So 10, 18, 20, 29, then it is 11, 18, 25, 33, 40, 48, 52, 53, 58, 60, 67, 6, 8, 9, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So, what is the value, children? 1779. So, sigma Fi Xi value you have got as 1779. Now, you have to go for sigma Fi value. What is sigma Fi? Sigma Fi, add all this. 4, 6, 7, 8, 12, 16, 18, 21, 25, 28, 29, 30. So, sigma Fi is 30. So, what is mean? Sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. That is 1779 by 30. Divided. 1779 divided by 30. 35s are 150. I'll do it little bit up so that it is convenient. 1779 divided by 30. 35s are 150. 7 here, 2 here, 9. 3 9s are 27, 270. 9, keep a point, 0. 3s are 90. 0. So, you are getting 59.3. This is the mean of this problem, children. This is how you need to find out. This is the way in which you have to do mean of an ungrouped data. This kind of sums you may get it for short answers. Grouped data mean I will discuss in the next class.